Very good afternoon to everyone. In the last few sessions, we were just talking about freedom. So I also thought, let me pen down some few words about freedom. So freedom in my sense. Freedom is the open window through which pours the sunlight of human spirit and human dignity. The perspectives of freedom had been changing from time to time, from generation to generation. For our elder generation, the freedom means freedom from foreign rules, invaders, religious fanatics, social evils like dowry, untouchability, sati pratha, child marriage, etc., etc. And they fought for it, they won it. And for our generation, the freedom means that we fought for women empowerment, freedom from gender bias, gender equality, financial freedom, freedom from caste and language barriers. The things are changing now. The new generation has got their own problems. They want the freedom from routine, set mind of our society. They have different views of marriage, childbearing, sexual preferences, and they want to work on their individually. They don't want to settle in like their parents in a set pattern. So the list goes on and on. When the time goes, the expression of the choice of freedom changes. But, what is next? When we get the freedom, so what is next? Have we ever thought about the responsibility of freedom? Freedom is not only the right to do as we please, but as one opportunity to do what is right. We want freedom of speech, but can we speak on anything which hurts other people's emotions and beliefs? We want religious freedom, but can this give us opportunity or freedom to be disrespectful and insulting to others' beliefs and religious sentiments? Can we play female card to achieve success in the name of female freedom? Can we indulge in sexual freedom without any responsibility, drug abuse, and in the name of freedom? Breaking of families and social fabric in the name of freedom. Friends, the freedom without responsibility is disastrous. It is creating problems in our social and national fabric like intolerance, aggressive behavior, sexual and drug abuse, loneliness, depression, hatred are fast growing. So our freedom should be constructive, not the destructive. For to be free is not merely to cast off one's chain, but to live in a way that respects and enhances the freedom of others too. That is the actual freedom. We Indians are lucky that we are taught about the true meaning of freedom as a spiritual freedom from Vedic times to present time when our spiritual gurus are emphasizing on the spiritual freedom. Spiritual freedom is getting rid of our 9 foes like anger, greed, jealousy, passion, pride, attachment, and cultivating 7 bliss of life, that is good qualities of pure soul. These are peace, love, bliss, joy, knowledge, and power. Friends, nature is free, but still it follows some rule. There is a thin balance between freedom and unresponsible behavior. So freedom is the power and it's a right to act in a right way. So I would like to end my expression of freedom in a small poem. I think you would like it. If I were a bird, I would fly of myself, free of this place. I would go for the past infinity, into the distance of forever, and stay there for rest of the eternity. The wind between my feathers, the sun firing my back, igniting my loosened soul, I will break my chained restraint, touching the clouds as I went. If I were a bird, I would use my wings and fly, just to know that freedom is not a lie. हिंदी में बॉलीवुड में कह सकते हैं पंछी बड़ू उड़ती फिरूं मस्त गगन में आज मैं आजाद हूँ दुनिया की चमन में. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity for expressing myself. Thank you.
Very nice, Manju. Good.
Thank you very much. डॉक्टर मंजू बारिक ने बहुत अच्छा हमें संस्कृति भी सिखा दी है और पढ़ाई भी है. और फ्रीडम एक्चुअली इट इज इंडिविजुअल टर्म एंड ग्लोबली एवरी कंट्री का डेफिनेशन ऑफ फ्रीडम उनके हिसाब से चलता है. तो इतना अच्छा एक्सप्लेन करके डॉक्टर मंजू बारिक, यू आर ए गुड सिंगर एंड ए गुड ओरेटर. और डॉक्टर चित्रा, आपका गाना मैंने नोट करा हुआ था, मैं भूल गई, खोया खोया चांद. तो पता नहीं मेरा दिमाग थोड़ा सा खो गया था तो चांद की तरह गायब हो गया. तो प्लीज एक्सक्यूज मी, अगली बार आपका गाना सबसे पहले लिख के बताऊंगा.